Alright, so I just realized I'm not recording, but I did end up pressing it. So we're in a live trade on the Asian session. I got taken out earlier by the spread. No big deal. We're just going to go in for another trade because the opportunity is still there. 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. $50 commission basically. I love when money gets taken away from me. I'm still working off the previous structure because it hasn't broken my structure thus far. But other than that, not much is going on. Asian session's pretty slow. So I totally expect the spread to be that big, which is why I actually used a bigger stop loss than normal this time for the second trade. Just to account for the spread. Because I would still be in this trade otherwise. Besides that, there's not much else to say about it. Trading is boring. And yeah, see how it goes. If I lose this trade, then that's pretty much it for the Asian session because of the loss I took earlier. And if this trade ends up panning out, then cool. Who cares?
A few moments later.
Alright, so one of the things about trading that most people need to be aware of is you shouldn't be staring at your charts the entire time. The purpose of trading is to get you away from the charts, funny enough as is. So once you take a trade, make sure you step back, play some video games, watch a video, watch a movie, watch some anime, do something, go outside, kick some rocks. Just, try not to be glued to the charts, try not to be staring at your trade. If anything, it affects your trading psychology more. And if you tell me that it doesn't, then you're a liar. If you stare at the charts long enough, you start to see things that aren't there. So make sure you step back and you only change your bias whenever it's necessary. And sometimes you can have the wrong bias and still have a profitable trade. So just keep that in mind.
One eternity later.